Hi guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a Google Cloud assignment. This is something you would use when you have created a Google document that you want your students to fill out for their assignment. And instead of copying the link and changing the copy or the edit to copy, you would do this instead. And when they click on the document, it makes a copy automatically into their Google Drive and allows them to fill it out and then hit submit. So I'm going to show you quickly how to do this. So I have a weekly journal right here. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to go into my edit button and I'm going to fill out this box real quick. Fill out document and submit. I know that Health is doing a daily journal, so you could say complete this journal daily and hit submit each day, or turn it in on Friday and submit just once. But down here, I'm going to change the point value to complete and incomplete. And then right here, this is the important part. Under the submission type, I'm going to change this to external tool. And in this box right here, I'm going to search for that external tool. So I'm going to click Find, and I'm going to scroll through till I find Google Cloud Assignment. Okay, so I'm going to click on this, and then I'm going to search for that Google Doc, which I have up here. It's called Daily Health Log. So I'm going to search right here, Daily Health Log, and I'm going to click right here and hit submit and then select, and you want to load this tool in a new tab, that way it doesn't close out of Canvas when they're finished, and then you can assign a date if you need to, and then you're going to hit save or save and publish. So once I save it, it's going to appear right here in just a second. So I'm going to click load weekly journal in a new window. And this is what it looks like. So the students would fill this out, and what it's done is it's made a copy in their Google Drive, and then if they were a student, there would be a submit button right here, a blue submit button, and they can fill this out on Monday, and then they can go back in and fill it in on Tuesday and hit submit again until the window closes. So that is how to use the Google Cloud assignment.